Easy strategy to start making a lot of money online with CPA marketing. Not only the strategy a beginner's friendly one, is also 100% free strategy. So walk with me as I dive right into this strategy in a step-by-step manner. And guys, if you're new to the channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of other AI tools. If you like such kinds of content, there are a lot of videos right here on my channel. Check out the videos right there. If you're also You can also go on to subscribing to the channel, and also make sure your notification bell is turned on all, so as not to miss out on any important video that can help you boost your income online once I do release that. So diving right ahead into the video of today, we're actually going to be utilizing a very cool platform right here called Leonardo Ai to gain traffic to our CPA marketing offers. So what we want to do right now is to come onto this AI tool. This is a very cool and amazing AI that can actually go on to bringing your imaginations to life right now. You can convert any description which you actually do give it into a simple video or a simple image right there. So once you do come onto the platform, you can sign up for free by clicking on this launch app, and it's going to take you to a home page right here where you can actually do see a lot of cool content that were generated by the help of other people on this platform. So you can see these are all cool and amazing content that were actually generated right here by other people on this platform. These are cool and amazing images. All these images are actually AI generated, and they were just simply created just by giving the AI a simple description. So you can actually take a look at this image right here. As you can see, this is actually the description that was used to generate the image. It says full body character of K, the house guardian, radiates warmth and security, and you can actually keep on checking out through that prompt. And that was actually what was used to generate this image with a simple AI model right now. So you can see how cool the image is right here. So basically, you can just simply check out a lot of cool images right here on this platform right now. To go into generating your own image, or just simply come right here to this section, click on image generation. If you do click on that, the page is going to load up, and you can actually then go on to inserting your prompt right here in this section. Now you want to just simply describe the kind of image which you want to generate, and this particular AI tool is going to just simply do that for you. You can actually come right here, guys, and see that you have about you do get about 150 coins or tokens to actually use each day for your image generation. You can select the number of images which you want to generate right now. You can also go to selecting the dimensions of the image and also aspect ratios of the image right here. So supposing I want to just simply generate something from a random prompt right now, I'm just going to insert that from this particular AI tool. This is a cool random prompt which you can go on to utilizing. So if I do click on generate right now, as you can see, the image generation is actually in progress, and that will be generated in a matter of some seconds right now. And you can actually take a look at how cool the image actually is. Mind you, guys, you can see how cool this image is right here. This image was generated with the help of this AI tool. You can click on the image to actually go into looking at that quite better right there. So supposing you want to just simply come right here, you can change the model, which is a fine-tuned model. As you can see right here, this is on absolute reality right here, which is this. You can actually go on to changing that to maybe if you want to create something like 3D animation, you can want to just simply select 3D animation style, click on generate right there using exactly the same prompt, and you actually do see the difference in the image right there. So a prompt, the fine-tuned model which you're actually utilizing is actually a big factor in determining the kind of image that will be generated right now. You can see that this is a kind of image that was generated right here with the 3D animation style. It's actually looking like a cartoon character or cartoon image right there. So what you need to do right now is just simply click on the download icon to any of the image which you want to use. Just simply click on download icon right now, and once you downloaded that, guys, we want to just simply go to grabbing hold of a CPA marketing offer which you want to just simply promote with that image. And to get hold of that CPA offer, we're going to utilize this platform called CPAGRIP. So you can register for an account via this section. It is quite easy, but right now I'm going to log in into my account. So take a look at this, guys. I'm logged back into my account, and I want to just simply go on to selecting offers right now. Maybe I want to select offers to the United Kingdom or the United States, because the platform which we're actually going to be driving traffic to, our CPA marketing offers, gets most of its traffic from the United States. So I'm just going to click on payout right now, and I'm just going to select a cool sweepstake offer. maybe this one right here, and you can actually see more details about the offer right there, that this is a $2,500 cash giveaway for people in the United States that will use an Apple iOS device to submit their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey right now. And guys, once they do that right there using my unique affiliate link right here, I'm going to get paid this particular amount right now for each person that does that. So you need to just simply copy the link. You can actually get offers from various countries to promote, and to promote that at once, you just need to create a simple landing page. You can create landing pages right here to promote multiple CPA marketing offers utilizing the Google site. You could also utilize Linktree and other landing page builder sites out there. So guys, if you want to just simply check out some cool videos to help you create a simple landing page to promote multiple CPA marketing offers using free platforms, come onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon and just simply come right here and type in landing page. If you do come and type in landing page and click on enter, it's going to take you to the section where you can see a lot of cool videos I created for you that easily shows you how to create simple landing pages with some cool and amazing platforms right here. And guys, check out the videos, and that will enable you create amazing content right now for your landing page. So once you do create a landing page and link your landing page to your CPA marketing offer, what you want to do next is to go on to promoting that landing page, or come onto the platform right here first of all, which is called the QR-code-generator.com. This is a platform that converts any link into a QR code. So if you do paste in that link right here, it's going to convert that into a QR code. You can select a frame of your choice, and you can go on to downloading the image or the QR code right here. So once you download that, come onto this platform right here, which is called canva.com. So on Canva right here, all you need to do is to go to searching for the Pinterest pin. So if I do come right here, search for the Pinterest pin right now, it's going to just simply load up and take me to a very cool page right there where I can just simply click on create blank. And once I do click on create blank right now, what I'm going to do is to just simply head on to this section right here, click on upload. You want to click on upload file and go to selecting the images that were actually uploaded, or that where you actually downloaded, including the QR code. So if I do select this image right here, maybe I want to utilize that image, I'm just going to go on to dragging and dropping this image to fill out the entirety of the video. Now I can actually go on to inserting my QR code and actually go on to shrinking that or reducing the size right there, and take that to a corner section right here. So you can actually see how this looks like. Once you're done, click on share, and you want to just simply click on download, and you can go on to downloading this image. Now once you downloaded the image, the next thing which you want to do is to promote this image. Now to promote the image, it is quite easy. We're going to utilize a very cool platform that gets about 1.2 billion visits every single month, and that platform is none other than Pinterest right here. This is a very cool platform that you can use to go into driving traffic to your CPA marketing offers. As this platform gets 1.2 billion visits every single month, you want to just simply come onto this section that says home feed, click on the create pin option. You want to select that particular image right here by clicking on this section, click on the image has been uploaded. Give this a very cool title right here related to the image, a very cool description. You could also paste in your unique affiliate link in this section, or the link to your landing page right there. Create a board for this, and also go on to add in some cool tags that can make this image or this content easily discoverable on the Pinterest platform. So do this right here and publish this, and you want to just simply continue with the strategy, and each day post about 4 to 5 times each and every single day right now, and be consistent with this strategy, and you can start making a lot of money online. If the video did add some value, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.